Morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about 12 lead system for ECG measurement. 12 lead system consists of three types. First one is bipolar limb leads or standard leads. Second is augmented unipolar limb leads and chest leads. Standard lead consists of 3 leads and augmented unipolar consists of 3 leads, chest leads 6 electrodes. Totally we will have 12 electrodes or leads. So the bipolar limb lead, other name is called as the standard lead. It will have a 3 lead systems, lead 1, lead 2, lead 3, and also known as Einthoven lead system. Here we are going to use right arm, right leg and left leg of the patients for recording the potentials. The output is the difference between potential generated between these two electrodes. Right leg is always ground, that is it will be considered as a reference electrode. This diagram we can see we are going to use right arms, right leg and left leg, also chest. The right arm, the color is white color, left arm black color we are going to use, chest brown color we are going to use, and the left leg red color, and RL is green color. RL is always ground. Standard lead 1 is the first lead system. Here we are going to connect the RA and LA, and RL is given to the ground and LL is left freely. Here now the potential drop occurs from left arm to right arm. This will be connected to the operational amplifier. Right leg is always grounded here. Here the output generated is V1. Next lead is standard lead 2. Here we are going to consider RALL, and RL is always reference and LA is left arm. And here the drop occurs from LL to right arm, left leg to right arm. Here the voltage generated is considered as a V2. The next lead is standard lead 3. Here we are going to consider these 2 points LL and LA, and RL is as usually it's grounded and RA is kept freely, and we are going to get the potential drop from left leg to left arm, that is connected to the operational amplifier. Here the output of the operational amplifier is said to be V3, the potential 3. So we got the output from lead 1, lead 2, lead 3. The potentials are given as V1 is 0.53, V2 is 0.71, V3 is 0.38. Approximately V2 is equal to V1 plus V3. So these are all the potentials generated in the lead system, standard lead or bipolar lead system. The next lead system is said to be augmented unipolar lead system. This is also called as the Wilson lead system. Here we are going to use a single exploratory electrode and central terminal. The previous case we have left any one of the points, but here we are going to consider all the right arm, right leg, left arm, left leg, all the points we are going to consider by using the concept of central terminal. Central terminal means center of the body, we are going to consider it. So we are going to use 2 equal and large resistors are used here. So this is said to be that is said to be exploratory, and another one is said to be exploratory electrode. We can see here. Here we are going to connect like this. Central LA and RA both will be connected through the resistance. So that the center point will be connected here. This is another one is the exploratory electrode. RA is the exploratory electrode, and this is the center terminal will be connected to the negative. So RL is as usual ground. So previous case in the standard lead system we have left any one of the points, but here everything we are going to consider. LA, LL will be connected to the central resistance, and RA as the exploratory electrode will be connected to the operational amplifier. So V1 and V3 are bipolar lead voltages. So relation AVR. AVR means augmented voltage right. That is equal to V1 minus V3 by 2. This is the relation between AVR and lead voltages. Next is that is 2 resistors are connected. That is left arm and left leg. These resistors are high value resistors we are going to set. The middle point is connected. Similarly, AVL, augmented voltage left. So the left arm will be connected to the positive terminal and the other remaining two terminals, that is RA and LL, will be connected through the high value of the resistance and the center point will be connected to the negative terminal. RL is reference. So here the output is said to be AVL. AVL is nothing but V1 minus V2 by 2. Here we are going to consider these two voltages, V1 and V2 by 2 we are going to consider this. So again a same large value of resistance we are going to use it. Center point we are considering. The next one is, that is AVF. So augmented voltage foot. So AVF, here the left leg is connected to the positive, right leg is always reference. The remaining 2 points RA and LA will be connected through the large value of resistance. The midpoint is, center point is connected to the negative. The output is AVF, that is equal to minus V2 minus V1 by 2. This is the relation between AVF and the standard lead voltages. So here we have seen all the three, AVR, AVL and AVF. So by connecting all these things, that is from lead 1, lead 2, lead 3, we are getting the Einstein triangle. So right arm, left leg, right leg is reference, so we have left it. So here we are going to connect the lead 1 potential, lead 2 and lead 3 potential. Finally, we are going to draw the vector cardiac diagram, cardiac vector. So the vector sum of these things we are going to get it. This is said to be cardiac vector. So this is called as the Einstein triangle. The Einstein triangle is a vector sum. So on three sides of triangle, that is almost equal to 0. So Einstein triangle is nothing but a closed path. So we have seen the diagram also. It is a closed path formed from right arms to left arm to left leg. Again it will be closest at right arms. So this is a closed path from right arm to again it completes at right arm. Then we are having third one is chest leads. So we have seen three standard leads, lead 1, lead 2, lead 3 and 3 augmented leads, AVR, AVL, AVF and 6 chest leads. Chest leads are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. 6 leads we are using. And you can see there it will be placed in the chest. Other leads also connected to the system using the central terminal concept, that is Wilson concept. This will be acting as the exploratory electrode. The remaining 3 points will be connected to the center point and the center point will be connected to the negative. So central electrodes, this is called as the exploratory electrode. So